Anyway, this is not anymore consumato est, neither the last lift, because my son is there, Jopet. He will continue ang trabaho sa Bulanon, Buutan, Bulanon, Matinabangon. And I am very proud to tell everybody inside here, in this hall, that because of the Boholano votes in the 3rd district, I never experienced defeat in the 18 years, I think 6 elections. So I am very proud to be Boholano. And also I thank God that I was able to experience some years in the seminary that molded me to become what God wanted me to become. And that is sharing of oneself sincerely. And I'm very proud that I am able or was able to have this very rare experience of having with brilliant lawyers and brilliant colleagues in the City Council. Starting from the time of Umbik Abincula, then his son, Bong Abincula, and now, Sweet Abincula. No? From the Lulu, from the father, and now from the daughter. You will remain sweet as you are. And I would thank especially God for giving me the wisdom to share what I need to serve to the people, especially those living in the far-flung barangays, the people in Marilog, the people who are mostly, I would say, neglected or forgotten. I never fail to see them once a week. And that is why I can say to the people of Davao that as City Councilor representing the 3rd District, I was able to give my share. All resolutions, unanimity vote, or co-sponsor. And maybe all ordinances, co-sponsor or unanimity votes. So this is a life that I have experienced, a life that I have shared to the people of Davao, being sincere, being giving of oneself, truly giving of oneself in the service. And I would like to remember the song that I have learned in the seminary, and that song is, the title is All My Trials, and it says there that all my trials, Lord, soon be over. Now, not exactly trials, but there are some challenging moments in my life as City Councilor. But with the help of God, with the guidance of some of my relatives here, I have, I think, 4 relatives. Kokoy Susobrado, Pons Militar, and you stand up, please, so that I can see you. And, of course, Pogi Pungguyan, his husband, the Lola of his husband is Baluran from Lubuk, also Kokoy, and also Pons Militar. Now we are relatives. That is why you might be wondering why every resolution and every ordinance that I passed, this day would readily and co-sponsor. And I hope that I'm asking my colleagues, especially Sweet, Richelle, and of course, Bones, and all of you, those who will continue serving the people on the 21st Council, to be one in spirit, one in direction, loving and caring the people of Davao. This is why we are chosen by God to serve the people of Davao. And also thank Mayor Rudy Duterte because he was the one who asked me to run. I didn't even know that he was planning me to run last 2004 election. He just invited me to the Grand Insing Hotel and introduced me to the barangay captains that na aking kandidato Pulanon, Buutan, Pamini, pero ako yung iba ko pa rin signalyan na ito. So ano atong kinabuhi, ihatag atong kagalingon sa serbisyo o mahinumduman kita na pinaagi sa guidance, sa wisdom sa Ginoo. Atong ihatag atong kagalingon and we become true witnesses of the plans of God in our life. I think we have to go back to basics right now. No, I listened to the prayer of the Pope, Pope Leo. I think we have to go to basic so that we will have good direction in this council with, of course, the guidance of Mayor Rudy Duterte as our mayor, our Vice Mayor Basti Duterte, and of course, my best friend. Is this your last viewing? What did you say? That is a joke because I heard when Baridati says something. Anyway, I praise and thank God that this hall remain as a whole of justice, a whole of love, a whole of peace, giving direction to our city and giving service to our people, especially our Luman brothers, our brothers living in the hinterlands, in the 2nd district, also in the 3rd district, and we do not forget. We will never ignore our brothers who are Badjao. They are living in the city. I hope that we can give some meaning to their lives, some purpose to their lives, some good things to their lives. Thank you very much for all those who are listening to me, to my colleagues, to Ma'am Charito, to my best friend, Abit Ungab. Everybody is my best friend. And of course, all the staff, Ma'am Pilar, who keeps on sending me posts about Mary Hill in Marilo. And who else? Everybody, especially this week. Thank you very much, and may God bless us all.